Malaki. Mika, siya lakin? Oy, nakahanap din ng mister ko ng I will come. Sabi niya, kung enough ko na lang. Sabi ko, hindi. Punta ako dyan. Oh, I will come soon. Yo, we're going there. Aha, naputol. It's okay. Oh, grab na natin because next year maybe there's no mushroom like this. You know what is the feelings of mushroom foraging? Masarap yung feelings pag mahanap mo yung makuha mo yung tagumpay. Yung tagumpay mo na ito. Ito yung tagumpay. Yan o, pwede pa yan. Yun, malata na. O ayan, baka matamakan. Healthy. Gawa na naman ako ng mushroom pie. Ubos na yung sa amin. Smells chanterelle. And here, cameraman. Oh, actually they're hiding, oh. Ay, naputol. Okay lang. Ay, iba, basa na. Sad. Walang naka-discover. Kaya, yung pumunta kami the last time. Here, Daddy, can you come closer? Come closer. Yan, kailangan kong bunutin. Kasi ang hirap. Yan oh, tingnan nyo. Nag-iiba na yung kulay, yung sa lupa. Pero pwede lang yan linisin. Linisin lang natin yan. Sa lupa yan, sa lupa. Ay, ang hirap ng posisyon ng ganito. It's only one. One beautiful chanterelle. Wow. Look. I'm gonna show you how big is this. Tingnan niyo yung chanterelle. Yung jack-o'-lantern hindi curly yung ano niya, petals. Ito, this is chanterelle po. Ang saya ko. Nanalo ako ng ginto. Kahit hindi ako sumali ng... Just look how big. Diba? Ang laki. Oh. Kasing laki ng ano ko. Kamay ko. Hindi every year ganito. Alam nyo, we are so grateful now. How great is the Lord. Sing with me, how great is the Lord. Ganda, no? mushroom. Makakain din daw yan. Pero it need processing. But may ibang klase din na kamukha niyan. Yan. So we have to be careful on picking those mushroom because I'm just learning those kind. The black chanterelle. The black trumpet. Yan, sinasabi na horn of death. Pero for me, I will not say that in that horror way. Kasi really edible yan. So make it in a positive way. Kasi yung kulay niya is maitim. Pero masarap po yan. Pero bigay ko yan sa iba. Hindi ako mag-pick up niyan ngayon. Musta torbes yan eh. The black trumpet. Nagpaparada din sila. Look. Ang dami oh. Pero hindi maganda kunin ngayon kasi medyo basa. Moist kasi yung weather. Yan oh. Dami po. Malalaki. Talaga this year is the perfect year for mushroom. Alam niyo, nagre-research din ako about mushroom eh. Hindi po ako, uy, nandun pa. Overloaded, nandun oh. O, nakita nyo, yung mga black na yan. They are most turbes in the black trumpet. Oh, yan oh. Dami po. Uy, grabe hanggang doon. Oh my goodness, this is just really, hanggang doon po, hanggang doon. Oh, sinong gustong kumain ng musas chuchubi, I can come with you and look for this. Yeah, so many. It's nice when it's dry. Kasi mabilis lang ito mangangamoy. We have to put in a separate plastic, you know. We don't mix it with the supiluba. Pero asa. It's a orange birch bolitos. Another one. Look. Marami dito yung mga orange birch bolitos. Look. Giant bolitos. Soft na siya. Hindi na silty. Meron pa doon. Huh? I will show you. Oh. Ang daming giant bolitos. Ah. This is bunny bolitos. Oy, my chanterelle place. Good, I am here. Thank you, Lord. Giant bolitos. Oh. Uy, oh my goodness. Uy, so big. Uy, really good. Look guys, we found the yellowfoot chanterelle or supiluba vero. Yan, dami oh. There. Yeah. Buon oh. So we gonna collect them. Kunin natin. They are edible. Just like chanterelle, a family of chanterelle.